Hey guys, Roxy Saran here. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. We're glad that you have joined us. Today we'll be talking about essential oils and how do you fill a capsule and also a roller bottle. Why would you even need to do that? And what do you mean talking about oils internally? Isn't this just aromatherapy? So we'll talk all about that today. So aromatherapy, when you breathe in an essential oil, it does so many things to our limbic system, our olfactory bulb. It triggers memories and so many different benefits. So yes, aromatherapy is so powerful. You can put drops in your hands and breathe it in and also put it in a diffuser. Well, topically, you put it where it hurts, right? If you've got a sore throat, you're gonna put it on your throat. And also we can take oils internally. Now this is because of doTERRA's purity and potency, the testing that they undergo. If you're new to our channel, we're gonna link this above for you about the sourcing and why Adrian and I chose to partner with doTERRA 8 years ago. It's totally changed our lives. They're the only company that we would trust. So we'll link that above for you. So let's give an example before I show you how easy it is to fill a gel capsule and also a roller bottle. I want to give you an example of allergies, right? We love utilizing lemon, lavender, and peppermint. They work really well synergistically together for that occasional seasonal discomfort. So if I need to use it, how can I use it in a different way? For example, if I'm struggling with allergies, I can put it in my diffuser morning and night, just maybe 1 to 2 drops of lemon, lavender, peppermint. That's one example of how you can use it aromatically. Then maybe you want to make a roller bottle. Maybe everyone in your entire family struggles with allergies and you don't want to get all the bottles out every day and apply them on everybody. Then you would make a roller bottle of equal drops. This is my rule of thumb for roller bottles. Equal drops, 10 drops of each in the roller bottle and the rest coconut oil, and label it allergies. There you go. Now everybody will have a allergy roller that they can utilize morning, night, as needed, on their throat, on the back of their head. They can breathe it in. Easy, okay? We want to make this easy, especially as moms. We need the easy button, okay? And then lastly, how do you use them internally? I love doing, like, for example, lemon, lavender, peppermint in a capsule and take it internally. Or you can put some in some honey or under your tongue. So those are the different ways. I want to give you a picture of how, for the same issue, you can use them in different ways so you can experiment with your oils and see what works best for your family. Okay, go to roxysaran.com to get started in our oily family, or you can shop and just try 1 or 2 things if you'd like to do that. Okay, so first of all, aromatically, again, in your diffuser, you're gonna just drop 2 drops of each, lemon, lavender, peppermint, in your diffuser. Really easy to use, okay? Well, the next one is in the roller bottle. So I have a little roller bottle here. I'm gonna show you how easy it is to drop your oils. You just eyeball them right into the middle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one is a little 5 ml. It's a smaller one, so I'm just gonna do 5 drops of each in this one. 3, 4, 5. And then last one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so once you get your oils in there, you're gonna fill the rest with coconut oil. I love doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil. It's super easy to use. It doesn't stain your clothing or your sheets, and it never goes rancid. If you wanna use something else like a grapeseed oil or a coconut oil, you can do that as well, but I do love doTERRA's fractionated coconut oil. Okay, so that's as easy as how it is. Make sure when you're putting in the coconut oil that you don't overfill it, so leave room for the top. So this is the little stainless steel roller bottle. Then you just push it in, and you will be done with filling your roller bottle. There you go. Look guys, that was so easy, how to fill a roller bottle. And then make sure you label it, because as you start experimenting with essential oils, you will not remember which one this roller is, especially when you start to have lots of rollers. I always think, oh, well, I'm just gonna smell it and I'm gonna remember. I promise you, you're not gonna remember. It's very hard to do that. So make sure you're labeling all of your rollers so you know what it is. Okay, so that is so easy, how to fill a roller bottle. You can utilize that. Makes easy use when you're dealing with something that you need more oil than just that one-time application. and you'll have it ready to go. Okay, if you're ready to buy a diffuser or some essential oils, maybe the lemon, lavender, peppermint, or the veggie capsules, you're ready to get started, go ahead and go to roxysaran.com. We'll be able to help you there. You can join the oily family, or you can just shop for one or two things if you'd like to do that. Okay, so internally, again, we're talking about doTERRA essential oils. I would never take any other oil internally. We're only talking about doTERRA. Make sure that you're always looking for that supplement fact. If your oils don't have a supplement fact on them, do not take them internally, okay? It's very, very dangerous. So because doTERRA is safe and pure, then we feel really confident taking them internally in a veggie capsule. So sometimes I don't like the taste of all of the oils. That is a great time to take the veggie capsule. Or another time to take veggie capsule is when you're trying to affect your digestive tract or your urogenital tract. You want it to actually go through your entire body. That is a great time to take the veggie capsule as well. So it's really easy to fill. Let me show you how. So you open this little capsule up. I know when I first learned about veggie capsules, I thought this is so amazing, these little capsules, but they're empty, right? Because you're gonna fill them with your oils. So just like you would see a pharmaceutical, those are filled with stuff. This one is empty. Okay, so let's just say I'm making an allergy capsule because we're sticking with the theme today. So I'm just gonna, you always wanna start with less. Less is more. So we're gonna start with 1 drop of lemon, lavender, peppermint, and you just eyeball that right into the center of the little capsule, okay? There you go. You close it, just put the little top back on it, and you take it. So you make it and take it right away. Don't let this sit out because that little veggie capsule is very thin and small, and the oils are super highly concentrated and they'll dissolve your capsule really quickly. Okay, so make and take it. That is the key with the veggie capsules. So super easy to fill. You can take them as often as needed, up to 3 to 5 times a day as an adult. When we're working with essential oils, doTERRA essential oils, the maximum amount of oil that you want to take internally is 26 drops a day is the maximum for adults. So that's a lot of oil. We always start with less. Take 1 drop of each of those 3 that we mentioned in a capsule. Just start with that and see how many hours that you have relief of your symptoms, of your discomfort. And is it 3 hours? Is it 5 hours? Maybe just that 1 capsule a day is enough for you. Maybe you need to take it 2 or 3 times a day. So I love that you are in control of your own healthcare and you can see what is the best option for you and how often and how much that you need to take. Okay, so did you see how easy that was? I love that. So even though there is an internal limit on how many oils we take a day, 26 total drops of all oils internally, there is absolutely no limit on aromatic use or topical use of essential oils. So that is a good thing. Okay, so again, make sure you make and take your capsule right away and take it with water. Okay, you don't have to take it with food, but you do need to take it with a good amount of water to help that absorb. Okay guys, thank you so much for sticking with us today to learn how easy it is to fill a capsule and also a roller bottle, and how easy it is to use essential oils for allergies. Be sure to hit the subscribe and bell notification and also the like. I'd love to hear from you and comment. What is your best way to use oils? Is it aromatically, topically, or internally? And also be sure to go to roxysaran.com and let's get you started on the path to health and wellness today. Join our oily family or just shop for 1 or 2 products. We'd love to see you there. Our next video, we'll be talking about the emotional oils and what does the Bible say about the emotional oils. We'll see you in the next video.